Miawezo.
Srɔƒe le CEANA media. Miawezo. Ke miebona kpi miebona.
Ao miglena bosanu ba ao vlo novio. Miglena satana ba ao vlo. Novio miglena bosanu ba ao vlo novio. Miglena satana ba ao vlo. Ao vlo ao vlo ao vlo. Ao vlo ao vlo ao vlo. Miglena bosanu ba ao vlo novio. Miglena satana ba ao bloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jo.
Yo, akpe na mi. Yo, miawe le dɔdzi, miaƒe nukpɔlawo kple nyaselawo katã. Yo.
Gamesu. Hello, Doc. Meswa.
Yeah, Gamesu.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Mia globe. Afia miela. Fiai. Okay. Fiai indoor. Every time I try to tell you we'll do Wale next time, it's pushed to another time. But wherever you are, greetings. Then if it's morning. If it's afternoon, if it's evening. I told you, yeah, Tedem Bianchi, near Pamijiji, Gamersu, Niva Mia Srɔƒe, Niva Mia Srɔƒe, Mia Srɔƒe Konu, Doc, what was that word I was asking you about today? I was asking you how to say something. Do you remember?
Eʋegbe, no now.
No, Kono, Evokono, Hajiji, Ehedudu. Hello, okay. So we want you to just come in, and we've been learning. With how do you say the alphabet? Don't say it, Doc. It's no, nganglo, shijao, right? Jashio, right? No, we started with that, and then mere history, and mere partners, so like University of Winneba, every department they've given us lots and lots of information, lots and lots of learning. How do you say, how to put on clothes or what we wear on our heads, and body parts and everything else. Last week University of Winneba, they had their annual, how do I say it? Annual weekly festival. I'll say festival, where there's dance, hedudu, nududu, poetry, but no more kata. Just listen. You listen closely, you understand what I'm saying, right? Because we're all learning. So last week we showed you not half, because it's less than half, part of Nuhijojom Legana last week. And this week I will just go back and show you the rest of one of the programs. And Dr. Eʋegbe and some of the students are here to also explain. Nuhijojom afuma. Okay, menyabe odu he nto yodu nuha. So, Dr. D, madekwe lafuma. Dr. Eʋegbe. Hey.
Yeah, busy.
Okay. Medeku, take it and explain to us a little bit what you've done in the past. The one that we showed last week, this afternoon, we want to show the second part. Okay. Tell us what it is.
Akpa, me dogbe na amesiame que le CEANA TV kpɔm alo le sem le gaƒoƒo ya me. Afi sia afi ke ne le mi le gbe dom na wo tso Department of Ewe Education yi ke le University of Education Winneba. Abe ƒe adre nye yi va yina, míeɖi be míahe ɖekawɔwɔ de sukuviwo kple nusrɔ̃lawo dome. Ta eƒe sia ƒea míeɖu azã. Azã ma míeɖuna be míakɔ he ɖekawɔwɔ de sukuviwo kple nusrɔ̃lawo dome. Míaɖe modzaka ne mía nɔewo agasrɔ̃ nu hã. Le nyateƒe mea, eʋenyigba katã dzi míaƒe sukuviwo tsona vana vevietɔ le Ghana dukɔ me. Ame aɖe tso Aŋlɔ, ame aɖe tso Avenɔ, ame aɖe tso Tɔŋu, ame aɖe tso Eʋedome kple bubuawo. Nuwɔna aɖewo le mía si le Ƒugoŋ alo le southern side of the country. Mele meyiwo ke le Eʋedomeawo menya o. Ye ame aɖewo ke le Eʋedukɔ ƒe titina hã womenya nu ma o. Ta le sukua me afia, míedi be Eʋedometɔwo ne wosrɔ̃ Aŋlɔwo ƒe nuwɔna, Aŋlɔwo hã ne srɔ̃ ŋu tso Tɔnuwo gbɔ. Tɔnuwo na ale be all the dialects of Ewe kple woƒe nuwɔnawo alo woƒe performance siwo katã yi ke nye ʋeɖuɖu, hadzidzi, fefewo kple modzakaɖonu bubuwoa, míakpɔe anyae. Míenɔ azã ma ɖum ke míeva kpɔe le ƒe etɔ̃ yi va yi me be enyo be míakeke azã ɖe dzi elabe míetsi fia le departmenta. Tame ke míeɖo azã first degree ko míewɔna, gake fifia míeva le masters wɔm le ɖe Eʋegbea me. Fifia wogana mi PhD le Eʋegbea me. Doctor of Philosophy. Nenye be wòlala ye enu vovovowo le ŋu míasrɔ̃a, ke dze be míana mía dzilawo, míaƒe fiawo, míaƒe duŋunɔlawo, míaƒe sewɔtakpekpemenɔlawo kple ame ŋkuta bubuwo nanya bena fi ke Eʋedukɔ kple eƒe nusɔsrɔ̃wo ɖo fia le University of Education Winneba, edze be duametɔwo alo Eʋegbetɔwo ƒe wɔnanuwɔ me. Ye dze be Eʋegbetɔwo na da asi akpa asi ɖe nu ya ŋu wòayi ŋgɔ. Ne menyo ne meyi ŋgɔ le eblogbea dzi oa, aɖe fu na mi. Ta míena azã ƒe taɖodzinu alo ƒe tometsi bena eʋevinyenye gbogbo tu ɖo to Eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ me. Eʋevinyenye gbogbo tu ɖo to Eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ me. Eyi ke míagblɔ le English gbe me bena eyi ke míagblɔ le English gbe me bena reconstructing our Ewe identity through Ewe language education. Reconstructing our Ewe identity through Ewe language education. Tamie kpɔ be eʋevi minya edze be míagagbugbɔ mía ɖokuiwo atu ɖo, agagbugbɔ mía ɖokuiwo adzi ɖe Eʋegbea me be míase mía ɖokuiwo gɔme, ahada asi xɔ mía ɖokuiwo ŋu be eʋawo míenye. Ye míaƒe Eʋegbea sɔsrɔ̃ hã, míakpɔ mɔkawo dzi míate ŋu asrɔ̃ Eʋegbea tui wòayi ŋgɔ aɖe vi ne mía ŋutɔwo kple dukɔ la siaa. Magblɔ be azã dze gɔme. Míeɖo azã anyi le ƒe akpe ɖeka alɔfa asieke alɔfa eve kple wuiadre me 2017 ye míedze azã gɔme. Ke eƒe va yi tɔ yi ke míeɖua, Eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ le University of Education Winneba ekpɔ eƒe blaatɔ̃ va yi. This year, the study of Ewe language in the University of Education Winneba is 51 years. Feba Eʋegbesɔsrɔ̃ le University of Education Winneba ekpɔ eƒe blaatɔ̃ vɔ ɖekɛ. And we are offering undergraduate courses, masters, and PhD level grammar. And the PhD is in 3 parts. PhD the linguistics of the language. Allo Eʋegbe Nutimunya Lakparaka. Hafi Eʋegbe Konu Plenyadu the literature and the culture. Here the one part. Hafi Eʋegbe Fiafia pedagogy. Here Akparaka. Hafi masters Amababa. Mi wana the color sandwich. Allo la kema. You make one the color regular. And the very course so mana mi nyadon governor. Mi wana Eʋegbe play Jamagbe every with German. Mi wana Eʋegbe play English be every with English. Mi wana Eʋegbe play Français be every with French. Mi wana Eʋegbe play Beboblontimunya every with linguistics. Ye atonia mi wana Eʋegbe which is every major. And more me na nusola wakata toni alafia. Ta Eʋegbe vinyenye alo vinyenye bubo tudo pazan mi runcho. Mi dui ba mi akonyo Eʋetukwa Eʋemusola o Eʋevio plamesi mi kana Eʋeopenya plein no Eʋeope konu plein no nyo plein wana wo mi anyo dem. Mieza akosha da ka kodu azale. Ye mi wonu abe nyebe mi wonu abe hepatitis B. Fa dolala dodo kola mama. Screening of hepatitis B. Nega wo HIV AIDS dodo ko mi bo mi wo maha. Enye nwe komedo asa ma bo mi wo. Nega na nye no vi ocho ebe Wikipedia ever workshop na anu solawo alebe wo fiawo ale ke wa te load alo wa de nu anyajojo plan nyawo no matata wo plan sianu le Wikipedia ji le ke wa edit alo atroshi le mu yoko dada fi manu le ke wa atroshi e enwa over pomucho munami. Method of no me wa attenue alo what do you know alo quiz competition le level okatama level 100 level 200 level 300 level 400 and in the quiz competition the first years won. Is it level 300? The third years ekenya level 300 they won the competition. Me gava wala mas fafa ha alaba mo botonele you need to be exercising ejeba na anano la mas fafa wo. Mi wo fafa vovovo ba fafa ko wana la angoloma fafa ko wana la abadoma fafa ko wana la abano ado wana la aventuma play yo wana la tongutuma de bionanya ta aditata akpojojo ball fofo club bokata yiji play fafa vovovo yiji ekede bi no sola kodo fafa kodo jore oni onwi le choyijia ndudu enyanwu ke amagbeto chona nyadokue ba fito langutilama tan dudu vovovo ke le bawosia le firagbe nu sola o ehidego leva de shere da van dudu tokiade ta akpo agbele kaklo ati fifi achomo yakaeke aklan ayibobo agala jekple edejekple ple ngudu vovovo le hakla hanono no ple ngudu ple yo ke mini nakata le ngudu ma be miakpo ashiko ekele the value and the importance of every gastronomy ngudu kata le miashi ple vabenye kele mo miahidego those who don't know how to prepare those dishes will learn from others. Mayo kamanya ndada mmo dada wa shrine lawo ni obo. Enya mtokide kemiwo. Le azagmento. Efia o ke va pa ka malio. Wosobonto. At least we had 3 paramount chiefs. Ekenya Azantono, Atatana Togbi Doglo Anuma, Adelia, Ekenya Aveno Fiaga, the paramount chief of Aveno traditional area. He chaired the whole function. Hafi Togbi Bopo, Enelia Fotofiaga Chomafi, Sasekbe, Anomia Doma. Togbi Jeblade from Adakulo, Kojobi, Anomia Doma. Togbi Tetefuge, Anomia Doma. Chohoti, Pele Afia Bubu Yoke, Fakaklama Miatemwa Hello. Togbi Ashiago, Chopeta. Togbi Akamu do Amada Chu Auno Afia Yimba Maglobe Hamayo Kemikbe Akpa Ganto Kuleva Negba Maroko Motemva. You open Nufuha and Nufuka damage. I want to go by the Department of Ewe Education now. We don't even have a laptop. We don't even have a printer. We lack a lot of things that a problem I can over Habobo. Chose our copy. Until bona. Watch your desktop at the cabinet me. Bemen was azam. Me dark burger now. So a copy fear have unu get there. Nyan of you Ocho University of Education, University of Cape Coast. Oha, wo nomia doma. Enyanwe Kenyakbo, Ple University of Education Winneba, for heads of Department Roha nomia doma. Vice Dina nomia doma. Blow alo account of Nunola and nomia doma. Plamakopo nomia doma. Windy Bay, Kenya University of Education Winneba, radio station, and nomia doma. Media houses were Daniba TV, play radio, Onomia doma. Dela radio, Anomia doma. Impis Media, Nomia doma. Play Impact FM, Onomia doma. Bonwo Bonami. Mamokatande, mi hayao. Ye chong vireno okatanya wike enyabe Department angnola na baba no jaba miawe agbado katami haya miwe be moja nyina noji ano nyinami ama vero dolomi lema le drama plechi wonamichi do Miko Walake, a pommer droji, Miko Chiaba, 10 packs and a chum of a Viero Clamado bo. Alabashi, Bukatami higher, Agbadakatameza, Pela, Dudubushon Kata, Miko no Mobo about Department and Yenya by open Nolana Manongo now. As I never may be per shepherd. Came the car. Ekanupula the cover the Jessie and Benabana. Umasona Amadebele Droni Bajio. You can't study your language in a foreign land. Tauba Jebe, a Basosrafa lodger and a voter region over Benibajia. You can't be studying your language in somebody's land. So they say they need to have every academy or every study center or the Department of Ewe should have a part in the voter region. Anya nunyere ekematiaza akotumia ni oleji. Ta na me kpo video o na me kpo miafa ruduo miafa hakpanya o poetry recitals, dances, plenu bubu kata mo glo and other speeches are akpobe the moment edeso ayingo ye no adeso ayingo It's not nice for us to leave it in the hand of the university authorities. Ajaba the shall not play a role. Now no kwade, now none like Biang, but whatever yingo. No good all and yashini atema war. Akodolo Eʋegbe. Gaka meow de mea tem Hawaii. What the blibo. Eʋegbe, I am the HOD. Tomorrow somebody must come and continue. Nyaha dema amada way somebody did it. I'm continuing. I also earn it somewhere. Somebody also come and continue. Sukuvio per choma here. Taimava, I carry the service personnel along with me. But what thing catch them young. When we catch them young and grow them in the language, nobody can deceive them. Amaraka magate oblego na mi hewole the vimala hafi watch here onya moyoka egbanale ejimana yiwa wenwi de amogale for batomafia mega former dram alo mega vuagbo ba sukuvi no gere esukuoma na jonana ma do sesena nyanto echola mi fa gade de na kotoku ma jana agba badagba pa le voter region to OT region. Je gada miezana koshrave le doman miantowe ayi na de afima ba wana TV radio play community eniyo ta anya kponto yo nyo mia boda mavie na anya de gabu boda galia o gabia ma magadon akpenami.
Akpa Danami Maraku.
I'm mute.
Young
Can you hear me now? Oh, okay. Sorry. Maybe another good history and practicals, you know, what's on the ground, what's really going on. And I be 50 crap where I'm here. Get a new performer. 8 something, almost 8:30 at night, right?
Yeah, Apple. Yeah.
And you're doing all this for us. And then I like Eʋegbe, and now yes, exactly how much is being put into that education. We are trying to, you know, like I always say, Eʋegbe ngoyi yoko jimiele. Doc, how do you sing this one? Evao micho. Cholo. So we're going to try and put all this together, and that's why we're trying to also do it, you know, from over here. 2 words, at least if I say it somewhere, somebody would understand something and laugh at me a little bit, and then show me right what to do. And then it's also encouraging us to teach our children, like I said, catch them whilst they're young.
Yeah.
You're going through all this, Gakea. You take the time to help CEANA, you know, put on a show like this where we can, you know, learn and try. We're still, don't worry, very soon we're going to have a French person amongst us. And then the Vioha, some parents have been talking to us, so we'll get some kids to come so that when you talk to them, they will, you know, they will be learning. Like I always forget how to say ABCDs. How do you say? No longer, what do I mean? So thank you very much, and it's good to say the details of what's going on down there. Yakea, Melekuku, Nami, Devia. Hello, Is it is drink, right?
Is drink,
No,
I
mean dance.
Akpa Danami, Akpa Nami, Dr. Dogbe, play national service personnel to
Yes.
University of Education Winneba.
Winneba.
Every department. Taima Dr. Dobena Globe. Here be Srɔƒe abala miedui anyile Winneba na the Hanano Wenigbaji ta here ta new banner let the Mauji Nami Elabe Eʋegbe here yo ta akpe alabe miapanu kola do la fia da Empress here ble economy share yala fuma be every class in session alabe enya na blochon dudu on enabe ye tamim
Never me adene. Never me adene go ne.
Now, got pictures so don't they couple that will even make her very happy and more hungry.
Alabe CEANA President Dr. Chachuni Amadi have a great job CEANA TV. Alabe the Empress gave how many students that the department have in total? Dr. Dope, the Obiabiama.
At the moment, level 100 to 400, we are about 629.
629. Hey, music well.
Maraka Mechle master's told them, Maraka Mechle PhD told them more. So the undergraduate alone, they are 629.
Wow. It's really heartwarming, you know.
Yeah.
For the laptop the kako po melemiasia. As a department, oh my goodness. At 8:30 at night talking to you.
We used to have some, but after Corona, procurement issues were a problem for the university. So the department, last semester, we were able to put some things together for the university to get S1. And this one too, we have written some letters for us to get some. Yeah, so it is true. We lack those working tools. So we use our personal, lecturers, we use our personal laptops for research, for teaching, for everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Nobody will do for us here.
Yes, and we even appreciate you more. Really, we do. Okay, Dr. W, Medical, now, you know me, I want some music, please.
Okay.
Hello, Doc, music, Adela, Nyashia.
Yeah, okay, music Agbona.
Please.
Miapamo, Empress, here black, Docheve, Ejojine, Be Sukuvio Subode of Miam, Nanama, Miawala Dojilo. Okay, Yema, Miebona Pie. Ba afimia ase ha miss mi ontomi CEANA convention agbona pie ta miss CEANA convention boblododo alo commercial alabe na mi atrogo afimia ba se ha ta mi gbona pie adaba popo ma ve alo minity eve magbe pe
Maena kpato malo maena na kpato ma hogaye na kpato me afiri wato maena kpato malo gaena na kpato ma hogaye na kpato ge afike wato yo maena kpato maena kpato ma ahogaye na kpato maena kpato ma ahogaye na kpato me afiri wato o maena kpato maena kpato ma hogaye na kpato me afiri wato maena kpato malo
Yo, Akpa nami. Ta yema mieko CEANA ebona ta efayama le Colorado. Hello, le Colorado yona ba Loveland.
Loveland. He loves to say Loveland all the time.
Ta la fuma ta nama efle nama nglonko adeko na nglonko mionto mieko boblo do ava yeho ta yema ele miagbo da nami enya relation na kopia alabe.
Oh, music ade.
Yeah, music eka jimemele agbaja okay yo okay agbaja egbona yema
ne the young man and ladies want to well, really like hey, let me do sure. You're waiting, Doc. Or should we get some of your own songs?
No, we are okay.
Yeah? We can hear this one.
Agbaja Jime.
Hey, Agbaja Jime.
Okay, yo, Agbaja, yeah.
Okay. That's how we're going to learn everything.
Yeah, get ready.
Hope I get ready. Get ready.
Cómo
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Very good, very good.
Yo.
All right. Yeah. Hey.
Yema appointment.
Yeah.
Like Yema.
Okay.
Yema.
Apprende.
Apprende.
But you know, all of you guys, you know that when I first came to the US, I remember every time we get together and there's dancing, even for the men, we run and give them your cloth before they they dance. And after I can't feel no hit out like me and on here summer. Fifia me la fuma. For me a call for vibe me I want here. But it's part of our tradition. It's part of our tradition. You should have used the cloth.
Yeah.
I ain't the Kogaba.
I've already
your new uniform thing too. That's very nice.
Yeah.
You see what I'm trying to say? That's one of the things we have to learn. We should not forget. We should not forget that it means something to us. It really means something to us to have that cloth.
Yema.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's it. Then when you go like that, it goes like that.
Yeah, mokata nye ngike miasro. Alave maonye miafe wonao yoke bubum mokata alave na miedafio wa mikogabe miafe ngogata bubume ma
Yeah.
Abe miepo ngiyo miepo Scottish or Donna skirt ma.
Hey,
Ogadom okay, tamia pa for tata to mo ale mi sana na ma to mo gata.
Yeah.
Ke ojeba mi ala da shi.
Yes.
Yeah.
All righty. Yeah, Fifia W Mia one here. Oh, no. Doc D, Medaku Mia Iblamela Awunua. Hello, the next time we will.
Okay.
We can do the next. Tell us more. Give us more history, more things.
Yeah. Let us also we have a lot of manuscripts that can be developed. The students wrote those manuscripts themselves. We call them our creative writing. Hapanya de share ko blot le azama sukubia untengle. Only the few or one or two that they pick from me. The rest, every lecturer in the department is a writer. Ta sukubi de share ko le department mefiana le ko tem our composition. How they can create text, stories. Mefiana ye manyama ko ha. They do research and they document a lot of valuable information about the Ewe culture. Tao Kwangoma, you learn the video dani. Amo wadocho a fahaun, a faconun, yebeconun, the headego, a fawo. Amadi la Fukon vovo ou the Chung led a lead darani. A Guafa at Zaza la one other woman, Opungoma Kurani at Darani. A Kenya Temachon Mau away, Atrashing was a Banablebo, a Mashamana. Nemi Drago ha, Anya soft copy, Anya archive, Anno, Miapa Saito. At the Department Benahian information, more than for Hagafia Akpoi. It's on some research sites you have to pay to get access to those information. That me atenwa ado as border me anu bo akpase me anu me gbogbo no information mo are package wanya anu no me eba osi bena mare jiba ya ponu ma ya senya ma o pay and pick it just like when you go to some research sites and you need some books, some articles, they ask you to pay and you get it so that you be in the free. Domawo le miashi mi ewana. Ncho afia de ka togbe tetefuge. Alo tetegefu so. Ewo na mi ncho. O klo mi abiom be kwa ikote for owing rent and owing electric bill. When the cost someone came to me, I was very sad. But we find means one of the chiefs instantly paid their money, and we went to the electricity company, cleared those debts, went to the courts, withdraw the case, and then everything was done. Not Koshaka Bonama, you can enjoy that Bonama. The viola to the Pogomajega. Tano chokot nyako le freedom nawa. Be womaha hofa wodew. Womaha a superior. Womaha a lateral below there. Few over high horror. I saw this as something. Step the academic performance. That you namanya instantly. Lazama. Many mado blow like Mapatana Together when we join you, they asked me about some of the problems in the department. Blair, Together car, Dashikutokumatim Ponumabo, Amaro Scufilo, but we can't do this thing. Make the view let them by your or a dollar shadow. I can maybe some sponsorship, motivation. And I know that culturally, everybody carries something from home to the University of Education Winneba, of Ewe Education, and everybody is ready to learn something. I'm a Shiamaker University of Education Winneba, Department of Ewe Education. Nana lemo cove, Nana lemo bayadafia. Me onu fera talking about me $1. Amarolia nana maloma, they have that talent. Gakomanya leke yo azin yo ana wa chile yo mo. Me bagnombe Eʋegbe Volta region. Eʋegbe Togo. Eʋegbe Benin. Eʋegbe Nigeria. Lazama me degbe ashine me fa fiaobe no nana de ka o mana no ebo kata doma. Alaba elacho Nigeria, elacho Benin, elacho Togo, elale Ghana.
Yema.
Besoso treha. La mo vovo. Miebe nchoma miebe
yeah.
Blema kono hababo. Wova de vovototo subo ple de kong do monami. Amaro bunabe mushiamu ike won miele. Alona no nele be hajin kwa azu abosamto ni dakabe ni afo awanyu gbabo no gbana abosam be wala ke e wo flow e ba hawo ma anya nu ike nyanya bana mi adegba lanchi konwo manye gbogbo boss bo nu gbegbre to hali ye ayike tuna dure ji hali kama dole to bale ba son ko ba ya sonala menya joko sana bale fia. What kind of stigma ayike le so from le very dona ye jiba mi adida no matter me showcase na me de na we can view one me de na fiana be wa ko bana asiko hodela abego so strong lenya tepama na Srɔƒe le mia gbɔ mafia be ena de ŋutsu ɖewo dza ko wa go nusɔsrɔ̃ yiwo ke le Eʋegbe ma wɔe be our students are marketable everywhere na be mia viwo ŋutɔ hã ame sia ame woate ŋu wɔ dɔ ɖe sia ɖe le kpɔɖeŋu me megblɔna be Eʋegbea ko mewɔ le University of Education Winneba, the Department of Ewe Education. Eʋegbe ƒe certificate nu yiwo ke mesrɔ̃ le afi ya wo ko metsɔ va wɔ nye PhD le Kenyatta University. I didn't use any new certificate. Mia nɔviwo ke ɖe University of Ghana le woƒe PhD wɔm fi ya, they didn't use any certificate. The Ewe Education certificate le wo si ya ye ko wo kɔ. Mia viwo ke zɔ mɔ yi ɖe Luxembourg University fi ya le nu srɔ̃m alo le Ontario, le Canada, alo le UK, is it Leeds or so? One of the universities. They are there in their numbers. After le Australia. Mamo kata University of Education Winneba certificate take le o xɔ le begbɔsɔsɔ ma ikwe. Ta mienu amo kata wɔm be miakɔ fia dukɔ bena na Srɔƒe mafia be you be grounded in Volta region, in some village of Volta region and be working. Na Srɔƒe atemwa wɔ dɔ le radio stations or TV station or in the entire media. Young society can be one another. The students are marketable everywhere. Ke a chomekan of a bashi. A chomekan of a bashi nebe nyapobobe me digitize the study of the Ewe language. Me populace the study of the Ewe language. No matter me pe Ewe Wikipedia to be work better miang Google Toli and other platforms are available. Other apps must be developed. Verbosoption and yo Ugomasa Sena no Bobo inami. That a Bavinia Gubo Turu Pazami Bua, and you know me, but we the shadow and you're the ground. La Pepe Niente Jessica la Cabana Tababla Akpa Ochona. Ye name from Jogba Apprende Kogali. Ke Nanaba Dr. Kwame Nkrumah for the past 51 years until 2017. I got only 2 lecturers. You can live from that 1973 till now. We bury one of them this 22nd of June 2024. One Mr. Sebastian Amagashi. He and one Mr. Collins Walanyo Sua, he is still alive. One of them all left Barashi until the year 2004 that way, before new staff were recruited before we came and joined in the 2014, 2002. Those people, they could be professors, they could be doctors, but they sacrifice that. Now you do level the lecturers and some old students, plans are underway to see how to at least help, extend some form of help or some of appreciation to Mr. Sowa, who is still alive. We were there in our numbers, and then we give some donations. We wish we could have helped him more when he was alive. That plan solely, me dumba, me no better me have theology as our like university mele, amara atata mele. Remember me move the vehicle the quarter here, Eʋegbe, and as our mafia Eʋegbe. nchom half me the University of half me the Mr. Magashi Fakute kwa. Long academia mana de gbe na ba mi jababa de shade ba mi ko ba so de ko su ku bio de ma len fialao ni Department of University of Education
I think it's frozen.
Winneba.
Freeze.
Mi apa ka ocho Ghana apo bojovie da abale da Empress Blana
but network about the fuvire. Yeah. Nyanu fo masagara da afiagbo. Me ga form data gomo. Me ga kupo mi ada kuba mi aji ga da kuto me ga ajegba. One voter to Otiriji Banani. A when I'm a mega call and solo Agaba. Amayokata maybe by August ending, they will finish their national service. But I'm praying they will continue wherever they are. They will continue with the teaching of the program. New members.
Yeah, absolutely. You better stay.
Yeah.
Somehow. Yeah.
Matter of fact.
Yo, Akpa, Dr. Dogbe, Yemana Glow, Alabe, Miafe Nukola, Emaraku, Enoyara Glom,
I got
freeze. Akpa the wa, never your day afia amoa.
Do ado mi Paul afia enyonto. Sama afia obe yema da Empress do Cheglo obeje mia ana egba mia ana gba ma gayi to alba mia na oyiji ta hia ta mi pona na ole afia mionto mi koge fia alebe ndudu ada ofia da onye marakumie koma
Yes, go manyanya agbamatadi they use beans to prepare that.
Beans. Okay.
Yaka. Simply, what is sugar? Atadikle Kokola Abobitadi, which is stew. And which is coconut flour as the roasted corn. Yeah. And classy. Yeah. Abobitadi.
Yeah.
So you're already using ChatGPT, and while that's awesome, there is one little problem. You're not.
Yeah. Yep.
Dry maize, you can boil it. Boil dry maize in your abora. Galifoto la fini uno leza.
Doc, D. Nuhi, what time of the year do you always do this? festival?
Usually in June or early July.
Okay.
We look at the academic calendar and fix a day before I set a week before the midterm exam. So we watch the academic calendar and then we set it around 4 weeks into the or 7 weeks into the semester.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. Abolo.
Food and music, it all goes together. All these people are students, right?
Yes, they are all students. They are all students. Undergraduate students. The song is saying everything you do with your heart or happily, you not spoil. Everything you do happily, you not spoil.
Enyo, Akpa. Yo.
Sorry.
Alabama ko Akpanya daw ha. Alabe onye ngiyo kemyewo. Miafa ngiya. Alabe majiba miako ha. Miako ha da. Onye Akpanya.
Uh-oh. No. Ebene Jode. Ebene. Bring her back.
This is around.
No. Never.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
Very likely.
Akpanya ode lucky miako.
But that's
Okay,
yeah.
yo.
Oh, yeah, him.
Besta balala nogo, ya kamolama. Na hetedenyitia, na nyenyi no fie o no. Yeta befi, trona lankuda do kuomuti, na jito egben kububu nuwo. Akpana mi emulola arke gaju, kenye glola nyankwenye grace kamo. Akpana mi.
Akpa.
Yeah.
Yo, Dr. Dobbe, miapa no piala bio, any other lamiaki. Come on.
Yeah, unfortunately, on that day, I was engaged in some academic issues. I have to go to main campus in Winneba and attend the academic board meeting to see how to move the entire university forward and some policy issues which I went for us to address. And I was magba nyamano as a magba ko go hapanya ekenya mundudu dada fiagba nyamano as a magbo no matter na makponye na matata kala fuma manyamudo anyaba magbaza ma committee the program de banabe nyamatono gaka mi akpo da sia lenyo lazama enya MCA NS betokata
Oh, I didn't recognize it.
yeah ta awana we le deba diento magbemi bemi aglo hakpanya wonto ekenya hakpanya chasia yoka sukubi wonto no bemi anto ami no kodema eya amaka ba ye joko nyemi ba do no wo me yoka mo glo hakpanya po kata no ba try po ke hakpanya blo nto te ko ma o mi ko dara deba dia hafi achieve jata hakpanya kata mo ba do ga kemi glombe nanyebe we no me ando me share me awo poetry night, a period for poetry. Alebe waba I recite poetry makata wanye video mega walo record mega wa ako adali me tambo chuma nanyebe we su miashi ye miapa resources on le la bana me banya on shanwa aje me ba haye jikwi ahaye agbado ta na me plan enwire bon wo me awe wanye program ko wa nonya na pante wanye poetry night alo poetry time like me aglo akpanya amona se enya manye bo me ba dolio me aglo nyanto amona se ta ma me poba ya me aglo ba ajo wo kwema akpanya mama wo apabantom if you go over there, just about 6 months in the school or 7 months in the school. And we want to try them to see how they could face a crowd and perform. The level 200 totally, level 300 totally. So they master oral performance, oral arts, oral poetry. They know, see them. But those people who come up here, and we will prepare them for subsequent sessions and polish them up performance. All those who perform were first years. They are freshers in the school, and they are now. Yeah.
Yeah. All of you. You're really doing great. Wow. Anyway. So there was a part that I saw. I think it was one of the parts where the chiefs were coming or something. That time, nududu halafma. Yeah, I saw a certain part. But you know what? I think that part was in today's. I think it was in what you sent today. So it's not possible to see that.
Okay, we have a food bazaar there. That one we have the student chief. We have we select the president of the students or the prefect of the students. We made him as a chief.
Okay.
So we have a queen and we have a linguist. So you will see them dressed. They are still chiefs.
Okay.
Who,
Okay.
we want to settle everything traditionally. Maybe Efia Banono, Nana no Jole, Kemia Dronya, Lamia Duma, Miedo no Fia, Sukuvia, but Lake of one way, La Apprende. Nia not Bawana La Fia, that Fialas Cuviosi, and then you food bazaar there, come in a boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, you're the young ones. You're doing one thing about your students. The way master English play I just love it. I mean, they just explain everything in the good English, and they speak in it. It's really like what Jim talk. I really like it. Really good. I feel like
kama glomemiela la fia.
This one for the young.
Okay.
Kaya glomemiela la fia.
Ayawa.
Deba.
Afian tonto ya chu du komova alocho abanyibajiva.
Over, how do you say over? They showed up very nicely.
Yeah, these are chiefs from every land.
They are really supporting. They are really supporting you. It's really great. Supporting me.
Exactly.
Supporting me. Very nice.
So these are chiefs from Volta region. They arrive at time. Some of them at the time of their coming.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. All right. Doc, Madeku, music de la fiada.
Music la mia, I love video.
Is there some music in the air, please?
Yeah, music la fia, I love video.
Yo.
Mia dance music here for there.
Yeah.
Oba ofo get a formata. Kemia koda. Mawa ofo get Tamia ko pe wana de. At the way, at the one year of water, but I give it up that
Hey.
That's a number na punole no yanchi.
Nya do twase. Nukea.
Serious girls.
Just imagine the perfect online business you can start in 2024.
we ye la Département. La Département là, y a pas nous avec la jo, amase, regba, ple la takolio ene. Atemega we kiata, pa kono na wabi atela ye, si muna wadade, le kono abomebera, ate hedudu, to afrebubu fofome, ya eji, nanyaba, owa esiagola, atesiha, tuato, bla, hedudu, akwala, pete mwade sio wotala, otuahe, le tuame. Na owo esiagola atela dudu iya eji le atela otome le atepo fofomela miezanu abe kampo asipe gakogwe ple asipwi minote na miakpo alesiwa ita miekpo adiao nefuta
Oh, well. Good hunter, good hunter. Yes, you have done very well. You have to make all these notes, you have to wash them, put them. Hey, Nadaga, come on. Echo. Let's go chop. Let's go roast. Good hunters, good hunters.
I like the
For the whole village.
Okay, Arthur Ingle Worthington.
Very good, very good.
All right, very good.
nice.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Very
many
good.
interview here.
Yeah.
I walk at a lebe mea playable. I want to hear. I feel mea podi. I will avanye. I keep for the next year and all those things. It's not a small job.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? It's not. Very good. And then you have all the equipment, you have to make the ones you have to make. And very
Akpa, miawo do, enyonto. Elabe, we ogata onye miafe konwo taimana glo, alabe konwo ahia, be mia strong. Obe maden logbala de ikenye agbala kokwa de apeto sam obiani ikengo agbala do yona be Eʋegbe alabe obe mezekema le SHS ta le Eʋegbe. Nya agbala de ike epong chomia okata miape Eʋekɔnuwo kata ta akpebe nye abe dictionary alo Eʋeŋɔŋlɔwo kata ta nuyiwo kata na kpɔ ŋkɔ miaƒe ŋkɔ wo gɔme ɖe miaƒe nuwɔnawo kata ɖe gɔmesese nawo ɖe hã ta nui mɔ kata hã ta nyo be Dr. Dogbe kple miaƒe nusrɔ̃la miaƒe nufialaviwo nye dɔmawɔm ehia ta akpe na mi.
Akpe na mi ɔha.
Akpe kaka. Alrighty. Doc, madam, na repeat. Repeat. Like you're commercial. I mean, you for the CEANA 2024.
Okay.
Butu.
Yeah. CEANA 2024.
Yeah. Then bring it. Let's remind them again. Remind everybody.
Time gonna be. Yeah.
Mayena na kweto ma hogaye na kweto me afiri wato mayena kweto mayena kweto malo gayena na kweto ma hogaye na kweto ge afike wato yo mayena kweto mayena kweto ma ahogaye na kweto mayena kweto ma ahogaye na kweto me afiri wato o mayena kweto mayena kweto mayena kweto ma hogaye na kweto me afiri wato
Yo, akpenami. Tamionto mieko CEANA convention alo takpekpea mieko wɔna wo le afi ma mieko goglododoa egbɔna ye ale be ye ma Colorado afi ma dzi wòdzi nɔ ge le ma ale be Colorado kpɔ le afi ma ta wobe hayawo tsɔ hã hasɔ wobe nka miena kpeto me kpewo le afi ma kpenyigba wònye ta enyo akpe. Yo, ke akpe na mi Dr. Dogbe kple Davi afi David de sia de nyo kple FONS miawo dɔ.
Yo, akpe kaka.
Yo, da na mi.
Oh, yeah. I'm just so surprised at everything that we've heard today about. Yes, said some details. The reasons why we have to have this ever learning things, because we've learned a lot, and we also see that, well, we already knew that you were working real hard for us, but it's even deeper than we thought. Kaka, tell me something. When does school end? We are in July. We're in July. When does school end?
Yeah, school will close down September 13th, and we will come back around January 12th to resume a fresh academic year. So the 2023-2024 academic year will go down on September 13th. So school will resume. Many people will graduate this year. About 143 or so will be graduating this year from the department. We'll be graduating about 7 master students by November. So fresh admission is in progress now, and then forms are on sale. And by January, we will resume. January 12th, we will resume for new academic year to begin.
Okay. Wow. The gap is quite long, but I think it's you need a rest. Thank you very much. Yeah, and then the rest of the show, we have more of this. Look at your name. This. What do I say? This, not convention, but this festival. So we have more to show you, to share, and like we say, it's always just learning everything ever. Well, sometimes people still say ever. To me, so long as you're saying something that will make another ever understand that this is what you're trying to do, to continue the life of the language, I think it's okay. You can always correct somebody. But we really thank you, and we shall be showing you more. We'll show you more from this particular festival. We have another 2 days to do.
Okay.
Akpa na mikaka. Nyadogbe na nufialaga ha.
Yo.
Cynthia, so Charity, yeah. Akpenami. Akpekaka.
Akpenami.
Zado. Oh.
Akpenami.
Akpenami.
Miaola dojita. Ke miaga dogo, mamedagbe. Afi miajo mienyabe miapo na ojana gomacho afidagbe CEANA media. African Jazz Panorama, DJ Lawrence, Akona Kamave, FM, Gani, America, Happy, Momedagba, Steve, Mausi, Ovana, Gawide Kema, America, Gama. Afi le gadeka me bobobo dunanyi bobobo evana fifia nye wona bubu de ha gbona ike nye half tai ha egbona pie miape CEANA media ji lebe so afuma kemieve miape wona ji kenye Srɔƒe miape wona omemila Menamira Bedoa, Namalo, Mirato, Akpenami, Miaula Doji, Egbaton, Fiemiga Chesedo,
Akpenami. Akpenami Kaka. All right, hit some music, Doc. Come on.
Oh, mi glena bosanuba, au vlo novio. Mi glena satanaba, au vlo. Novio, mi glena bosanuba, au vlo novio. Mi glena satanaba, au vlo au vlo, au vlo, au vlo au vlo, au vlo Mi glena bosanuba, au vlo novio. Mi glena satanaba, au vlo Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jo
Yo akpe ta yema ke abe alemien oblome na oba amon be bien be français et tore kemel miadomo ha ta miekpɔ français tɔ ɖe edona français ta egbɔna gege ɖe mía dome kpie ta enyo nam nyaɣe ele North Carolina ta evava ge ɖe mía dome kpie ta ame yiwo ke be ɔbe English gbe kple Eʋegbe ko míedona le afia fifia français be hã miedo ge koa ke efia be mie eƒo ta Eʋegbe nyigba katã dzi elabe miedona Eʋegbe English gbe kple français gbe le Eʋenyigba dzi ta koa ke anyo akpena
Yep.
Akpa.
yo.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We love you guys. Thank you.
Love you too.
Mayena kweto malo, mayena na kweto ma hogaye na kweto me afiri wato, mayena kweto. Mayena kweto malo, gayena na kweto ma hogaye na kweto ge afike wato, yo mayena kweto he, mayena kweto ma. Ahogaye na kweto, mayena kweto ma. Ahogaye na kweto me afiri wato, oh mayena kweto. Mayena kweto mala, mayena kweto mala, hogaye na kweto me afiri wato. Mayena kweto malo, mayena kweto mala, hogaye na kweto me afiri wato. Mayena kweto me, mayena kweto, hogaye na kweto me, mayena kweto, hogaye na kweto me afiri wato. Mayena kweto me, mayena kweto mala, mayena kweto mala, hogaye na kweto me afiri wato. Mayena kweto mala, mayena kweto mala, hogaye na kweto me afiri wato.
Ao miglena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satana ba, ao vlo novio, miglena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satana ba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Miglena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satana ba, ao vlo ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato